What's the meaning of bait? Bait. Bait.
Bait. Bait. The word bait has several meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. One common meaning of the word is to lure or entice someone or something into taking a certain action. For example, fishermen use bait to attract fish to their hooks. In a more figurative sense, bait can refer to anything that is intended to provoke or irritate someone into a certain response or behavior. This could include teasing, taunting, or intentionally provoking an argument or conflict. In some contexts, bait is also used to refer to food that is used to entice animals, such as bears or raccoons, to a certain area.